Welcome to How to Build a Python Chatbot with Claude Opus. In this video, you'll learn to integrate Claude Opus with Python for creating advanced, responsive chatbots tailored to business needs.
Imagine if your business could have a conversation with every single customer, anytime, anywhere, without missing a beat. That's the power of chatbots, and Claude Opus is here to make it seamless. Welcome to our guide on building a Python chatbot using Claude Opus. In this video, you'll learn how to integrate this powerful tool with Python, setting the stage for creating chatbots that are not just responsive, but tailored to your business needs. Stay tuned as we explore the incredible features of Claude Opus and how they can revolutionize your customer interactions. Claude Opus stands out in the chatbot arena with its robust API and advanced natural language processing capabilities. It offers AI-driven insights that not only understand but predict customer needs. With Claude Opus, integration becomes seamless, allowing you to focus on enhancing customer engagement rather than wrestling with back-end complexities. Imagine a system that learns and evolves, adapting to your business's unique tone and style. As we delve deeper, you'll see why Claude Opus is a game changer for businesses looking to leverage AI in their customer service strategies.
Before diving into the integration, it's crucial to have a robust Python environment. Start by installing the latest Python version, ensuring compatibility with Claude Opus. Use virtual environments to manage dependencies effectively. We'll walk you through installing necessary libraries like requests and Flask that are integral to our project. A solid setup minimizes troubles down the line, allowing you to focus on scripting your chatbot's logic rather than debugging setup errors. Stay tuned as we troubleshoot common pitfalls and ensure your environment is ready for Claude Opus integration. Integration is the bridge between your Python code and Claude Opus's capabilities. Begin by registering for an API key, your ticket to accessing Claude Opus's powerful features. We'll guide you through setting up API requests using Python's request library, ensuring you can communicate effectively with Claude Opus. Understanding how to handle responses and manage errors is crucial for maintaining a smooth user experience. By the end of this section, you'll have a solid foundation to integrate Claude Opus with your Python application, opening up endless possibilities for your chatbot.
A chatbot is only as effective as its conversation design. Start by understanding user intent, the cornerstone of creating meaningful interactions. We'll explore techniques for crafting natural dialogues that resonate with users. Using flowcharts, visualize your chatbot's interactions, ensuring every conversation path is accounted for. Adopt an iterative design approach, constantly refining based on feedback and performance metrics. Our goal is to optimize user experience, making interactions with your chatbot seamless and engaging. By mastering conversation flow design, you'll create a chatbot that not only responds but connects with users. Handling user inputs is where your chatbot truly comes to life. Implement input validation techniques to ensure your chatbot can handle unexpected data gracefully. Leverage Claude Opus's natural language processing to interpret user inputs accurately. Dynamic response generation is key to creating conversations that feel alive and personal. Establish feedback loops with users to continuously refine and improve chatbot accuracy. By the end of this section, you'll have a toolkit of strategies to make your chatbot responsive and reliable, setting the stage for meaningful user interactions.
Testing and debugging are critical to ensuring your chatbot operates smoothly. Utilize automated testing tools to simulate user interactions and identify issues. We'll explore common debugging techniques to resolve errors efficiently. Incorporate user testing methodologies to gather real-world insights and refine your chatbot's performance. Monitoring performance metrics allows you to make data-driven improvements, ensuring your chatbot remains effective in dynamic environments. With these testing and debugging techniques, you'll maintain a high-quality chatbot ready for real-world deployment.
Deploying your chatbot is the final step in bringing your creation to life. Choose the right platforms for deployment, considering where your users are most active. We'll guide you through setting up a deployment environment, focusing on security to protect user data. Monitoring your chatbot's performance post-deployment is essential for ongoing success. Implement user engagement strategies to maximize interaction and gather valuable feedback. By the end of this section, you'll be equipped to deploy your chatbot confidently, ready to engage users in the real world.
Maintaining and updating your chatbot ensures it remains effective and relevant. Regular updates keep your chatbot aligned with evolving user needs and technological advancements. Analyze user interaction data to identify areas for improvement and incorporate feedback to enhance user satisfaction. Stay updated with Claude Opus developments to leverage new features and capabilities. Future-proof your chatbot by anticipating industry trends and adapting accordingly. With these best practices, you'll maintain a chatbot that consistently delivers value and stays ahead of the curve. Congratulations on completing your journey to building a Python chatbot with Claude Opus. We've covered everything from setting up your environment to deploying your chatbot for real-world use. As you continue developing, engage with the community to share insights and explore advanced features. We'd love to hear about your experiences and challenges, so drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tutorials and share this video with anyone interested in chatbot development. Your feedback helps us create content that matters to you.